Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need the model open and a clear sketch plane. Start on the face where the slice will begin. Create a sketch and draw the cutting profile, then fully constrain it so the tool knows exact placement. Once done, exit sketch and make sure to save a version before committing changes. This gives you a rollback point. Also check units and orientation. Correct units prevent scale errors. Now switch to the 3D tools. You're ready to turn that sketch into a slicing feature and perform the actual cut. Select the sketch and invoke extrude, choosing cut as the operation so material is removed. Define direction and depth. Use through all for full separation or an exact distance if you want a partial slice. If you need separate bodies, enable split body or create a new component during the cut so pieces are independent. Once the cut preview looks correct, accept the command and inspect faces. Make sure normals and face continuity remain correct. Flipping direction is a common quick fix if the wrong side was removed. After the cut, inspect the geometry closely. Check edges, faces, and any unintended holes. If you see gaps, use fillet, stitch, or repair tools to clean topology. This keeps downstream operations stable. If the slice is incorrect, immediately undo and edit the original sketch or flip the extrude direction because sketches control the result. Finally, save or export the new bodies separately or use combine if you want them rejoined. One troubleshooting tip. If faces fail, check for duplicated geometry or non-manifold edges and remove them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.